Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. I'm so excited to actually show me and to the world, even though you might have seen me on streams or something else. It's not the first time I'm actually showing myself, but I'm so excited to finally be able to talk about this. I worked a lot the couple of weeks to think about several products that I feel like I could share with the world. And I finally come to the conclusion that I could finally do that. So I've worked really hard to create over 2,400 different variations of these little icons that you can use as a designer, as a creator, for people who create. For example, you are a Twitch streamer, but you want to do like an overlay yourself, or you are a designer and you have made this amazing overlay, but it just takes you forever to find the icons, or you have some icons but they're not perfect, but you're looking for something new. I've created a set of 2,400 icons in all different colors, from a different design, one of the same designer. You can just take and then mask however you like, or you can do my other product, which is the brush for Photoshop, which I've designed in that same style as the first one that's in the pack, but this is a brush version which you can use on every single device that you can think about. For example, if you want to use your iPad, your iPhone, your MacBook for Photoshop, Affinity, Procreate even, you can use that even on the go. So if you want to create your overlays when you're outside, or you want to, like me, right now I'm sitting outside, the sun is shining, I don't want to be inside to do this work, I want to be outside. And so I've made an app. You can use your Photoshop on your phone, on your iPad. You can even use Procreate on your iPad to use my brushes and to have fun with them and create those things that you want to do with them. There's the heart icon, the diamond icon, the dollar icon, and the star icon for subs. They're all in each category. There's 4. So each category has their own brushes, their own sets. There's 37 brushes in each. Some have more, some have 41. Some have more variations, some have more type of designs. And I just hope you like that. I'm really excited to finally share them with you guys. And in this video is not just to talk about this. This is also a demonstration of how it works. So during my talking like this, I'm probably already showing you guys how it works, and it makes me so happy to finally be able to release this. So I hope you guys are excited as I am, because I'm really thrilled. I'm really thrilled. This means a lot to me, and I hope it helps you guys as designers and the creators to go out and use this for your advantage, and for speed and time, to quickly access this and use it, and just not having to worry about finding the right ones, but just having a collection of them, and be able to use that. I hope that is something that will inspire you, and that will give you that edge to continue. Anyways, that is what I wanted to say in this video, and enjoy the rest of the demo. I'll be showing you how it works on my phone, how it works on the iPad, how it works on the different apps. Clips are in this video shown on the product, and you can find it on my website, www.JustSimy-Simy.com. I'll see you guys there. Have fun.